And now I'd like to ask Ms. Palmer for you to be able to answer that question. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks so much. So I think that what's critical here is to move beyond platitudes and things that sound good and get into data and how we're actually going to have meaningful improvement and changes. So for example, if we look at achievement, what we see is that for all students, only 56% are proficient in ELA at the 4th grade level. I find that completely unacceptable for any school system, but especially a top-ranked school system like Howard County. For African American students, that number drops to 36%. For students on free and reduced meals, it's 29%, and for students with disabilities, it's 15%. Those numbers are, completely unacceptable. And so, what is it that we're doing to improve educational outcomes for all of these children? The current Board of Ed, and my opponent voted for this, cut elementary school reading paraeducators, eliminated middle school math and reading paraeducators, cut special education funding. When we look at the amount of money that's going toward per student spending, and we look at some of our lowest performing schools, they have a per student salary expenditure for teachers that's half those of other schools. Why is that? So I appreciate the sentiment that we need to improve, all of these things across our schools. But what I want to understand and what I want to focus on are meaningful changes that are going to improve outcomes for every population. Thank you.
Thank you very much to each of you for answering those questions.